Hello everyone, I am Hussein Khan. I am part of Quest to Education. Our institute provide the special guide for Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School, Ramkishan Mission and Netarhat. The guide boys who will preparing for Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School, we our coaching special guide them. Today I am just going to solve the previous year paper of Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya. The paper is 2018 and it's important paper for coming examination too. Now, the section 1. One section is mental ability test. Mental ability test. It's also very important part of Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya. Part 1. Direction question 1 to 5. In this question, a question figure is given and 4 answer figures make A, B, C, D and gives. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cut out pieces given in the question figure. See now figure number 1. Question figures. Question number 1. Here is 3 triangle 1, 2 and 3. Now I have to see the same triangle which figure is here in answer figure. Answer figure here 2 triangle. It means it's wrong. 1, 2, 3 triangle. Here is also 3 triangle. See, maybe it will be correct. 1 triangle I can adjust here. Okay. 1 triangle I can adjust here. Okay. And 1 triangle I can adjust here. It means this figure will be right. It's correct. Now, question figure 2. Here is 1 small triangle and here is also 1 and 1. It means 3. Let figure see 1, 2, 3. Maybe it will be correct, but here it's not straight figure. Here is cut figure, but here is straight figure. So its figure will wrong. Now see, here is 1 small triangle. In opposite side, I can get the same triangle, and this is I can also turn this figure and adjust here. It will be, and it's also the same way. It means it will be correct. Question figure 3. Here is half circle, half circle, half circle, half circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circle is here, and here 1 circle round. It means half circle become round. It means 2 circle required. 1, 2, 4, 2 to 4, and 3, 4, 5, 6. But here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means here is 6, and that question is 5. So it's wrong. Now, see in second figure, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and question is also in 5 figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be correct. Let's see the check another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 5, here is 6. It means it's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's number, huge number. So it will be correct. And last B number is left. It will be right. One thing in also is very important that in mental ability test won't see right question. Sometimes see wrong question. The question will be wrong, the remain will be right. It means one will last remain, it will be correct. So no need to search the correct one. The same figure. You have to see which figure will be out from the list. Number 4. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which figure make that same figure? This figure, this triangle, I can adjust here. Okay, I can adjust. And this figure here, not. How can I gonna to adjust? Not. Okay, this figure, it's so small, but here is not small. Now see in this figure, it means it's wrong. Okay, in this figure, see, here is 1 triangle. Okay, but size is also factor in the question. Here size and this size. You see, you can understand that this figure are not matching from that. That means it's also wrong. Now see, I can adjust this figure here. Really, I can adjust, but it's straight, but it's stable. Okay, let's see. Here, it's small and it's bigger. We cannot. And this figure, where I will adjust? Okay, I can adjust here, but this figure not adjustable. It's wrong. It means now see, D is left. It's correct. Figure number 5. Question. 1, 2 square and 2 square is here and it's also. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 square. It means this answer will be wrong. here is 2 square and 1 is triangle. See, 1 2, I adjust this figure here and one figure here, and this one is here. It means it's correct. It's correct. Question 6 to 10. In these questions, a questions figure is given and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C, D are given. Select the answer figure which the questions figure is hidden. See, question figure, it's S, and answer figure, see, it's S but different way. It's not this S and this S is huge difference, so cancel. And see, here S and here S, it will be matchable? No, never. Cancel. Really it's matchable, but here is round but not here is, cancel. And here is matchable, S, it means this correct. Again, one thing I am telling that if you cross the wrong answer, last answer will remain, it will be correct. The same way D. Question figure 7. It's round and arrow. It's upside. See, in answer figure, this arrow where I get, here it's half round, here half round, and it's not straight line, it's taper, so it cancel. And here it's also taper, cancel. It's straight, but where is round? Round is not. Circle, you can see circle not. It means D remain, it will be answer. In question 8, it's looking like has in mobile we see na has. Now answer figure, here I get has in one box, not, it's plus not has, cancel. And this figure, it's clear looking that here I didn't get, I cannot get this figure, it's wrong. Now here is one line, here is one line, here and here I can get has here, so it's correct. Question number 9. Again arrow, and one arrow is straight and one line is here and here is cut line. See, cut line. The same in answer figure I have to see the same. Here is a straight arrow, but here is also straight, but here is not. It's like also taper, so it's cancel. Now see, here is straight. I can turn this figure, the same figure I will get here. It means I will turn the same, this figure I can adjust here, and this one I can adjust here. It means this one will write. Now question number 10. Straight line and left side a bit turn in answer figure. Straight line but left side it's turn. It's difficult to getting, it's turn not. But in answer B, see, it's straight line, it's here is turn left side, here is turn left side. This figure I can from here, it's correct. Part 3, direction. Question 11 to 15. In these questions, 4 figures A, B, C and D have been given. In each question of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is different. Select the figure which is different and answer to the question. 11 number question. One square and one circle, and in middle a small circle and its color. Now it means circle in one circle is small. Circle second number figure in here is circle, in inside also circle. Here is one triangle and here is circle, in here is also triangle but colorful. Here is triangle and in also a small triangle and outside is square. So this question, how can I will judge that which is odd one? So it's very important, carefully see what I am just doing. In last figure I am saying it's triangle, in middle it's triangle, it's color. Okay, here is triangle, in middle triangle, it means both figure is same. Here is circle, in middle it's circle, means three figure are same. But here is square, but middle it's circle, it means this one is odd, it means this one will be right answer. 12 number, here is triangle, but number 12, this triangle, see this triangle, one side is color, one side color, one side color, but see how it's moving, it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. I'm just seeing that it's here come to here, it means anti-clockwise, it's anti-clockwise, and it's move anti-clockwise come here, but here it's not here, here is sign is here. But if it's clockwise, it's moving clockwise, but anti-clockwise, this figure come here after here, it means anti-clockwise moving, it's anti-clockwise, this figure is anti-clockwise, and this figure is also anti-clockwise, but this is not anti-clockwise, it means it's odd one. Number 13, one straight line and back right. Okay, in this way both straight, both straight, both straight, but it's not straight, it is, see this figure, it is taper, it's not straight line like a diagonal, see in this way, so that 13 C is odd number. 14 number, one triangle, in the middle half, it means equal, this place become equal, and here one square, see in middle equal, both become equal, and it's equal not, in this way I will do, it will be equal, it's not equal, and here really both are equal, so 14 answer is C, C is odd number. Now number 15 number, question number figure 1 is, see here is eye, here is eye, here is smiling sign, and this figure here is eye, here is eye, and here is smiling sign, and this figure here is eye, here is eye, and it is also smiling sign, but this figure is also smiling, but see in the eye difference, this figure eye is looking same, this figure eye is looking same, this figure eye is looking same, but here the eyes looking is like a 2 billion kind of, it's very simple and very simple, but this eye is looking not simple, so its eye is different in this manner, so that answer will be C. Direction, question 16 to 20. In this question, A question figures and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C, D are given. Select the answer figure which are exactly the same as the question figure and answer to the question. Figure number 16. We have to see the same figure. This is round and one is rectangle and cut. Where is the same figure? Here is looking same figure, but it's cross, but it's straight. It's cross. In this figure it's cross, but here is straight line, so it's not. This figure is cross, but here is in middle cut, it's not. In this figure, now see this figure and see this figure, it's totally same, so answer will be now 17 number. In this figure, one circle, in middle one dark. Let's see this figure circle and dark, this figure circle and dark, this figure, both are same. Now it's square, it's not perfect, it's square, but it's not in this manner, in this way it's looking same, so this figure and this figure is looking same, so answer will be A. Question, one line is vertical and here is left side one cut. One line is horizontal and downside one cut. See, one line is verticals but it's right side cut, not, it's cancelled. One line is verticals and left side cut, okay. But one line is horizontal and downside cut. It means question number 18, this figure and this figure is same, so B will answer. Question number 19, eyes. See here, eyes not cancel. Here looking eyes not cancel. Here not cancel. It means option number B is right. Question figure 20. One box. Here is two line, one line, two line, three line. Box one line, two line, three line. Here middle circle and middle circle. Two circle in middle. Here is two circle in middle. Let's check another figure. It's middle not cancel. Its circle is middle not cancel. It's not cancel. It means answer number A right. Part 5, direction. Question 21 to 25. In this question, there is a question figure. A part of the question is missing. Observe the answer figure A, B, C, D and find out the answer figure which, without changing the direction, fit the missing part from the question figure. In order to complete the pattern in this question figure, indicate your answer to the question. See figure. In this figure, here is missing part. Which pattern I adjust here? See, it's too big, so it's cancelled. This figure, let's see I can adjust or not. This figure I can adjust here, and this figure I can adjust here. It means B is answer. Question number 22. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. Here is square. And 1 square also in 4 part. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 square. In this figure it's 4 square, not cancel. In this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. But here square and see this square. It's not. It's different. So cancel. Here is not possible. So remain is D. It's answer. Question number 23. Figure. See, one small square. Here is box, one box, two box. And answer figure I have to see. This figure. Here is this not. Here it's upside, but here is downside. Upside is also one box. Okay, let's see. Now here is one box. This box I can adjust here. Let's see. Okay, I can adjust here. This box and this box I can adjust here. Really I can adjust here. And now this figure I will do in this way. In this way it will be adjusted. It means answer will be A. Question number 24. One box, two box, three box and same box. This figure and this figure will be the same. Where is? Let's see. Here it is possible. 24. Let's see. Not. This figure where I will adjust? Here not. Cancel. It's looking cancel because here figure size and this figure size is totally different, and this figure is also different. It's remain D answer. It means 24 answer is D. Now 25 question figure. One figure is here. In this, which pattern I can adjust here? It will be the same figure. Let's see 25. Now this figure where I will adjust? In this will be not. This figure where? See, here is like a triangle, but where I will adjust? Not. Yeah, this figure I can adjust here. I can adjust here, and so figure will be the same. See, in this way this figure. It means option number C is right answer. Part 4, direction. Question 26 to 30. In these questions there are 3 questions figure and the space for the 4th figures is blank. So the question figure are a series. Find out one figure from among the answer figure give which occupies the blank spaces for the 4th figure and completes the series. Indicate your answer in the question. 2. See 26 number question. One box, one circle, small circle. In second box, 2 small circle. In middle. In third box, one more. it means fourth box one more circle will where, but here now the circle will be here. In answer figure where is circle? In this option number D. Now question 27, one line and 1 2 3 4 5 line, and one I cancel here and increase here. It means here is 4 line, here is 2 line. Now again one I cancel here, I count 1 2 3 and increase 1 2 3. Now it's cancel. It means in this way 2 line and here is 4 line, 1 2 3 4. Where is answer figure? 1 2 3 4. Okay, but 2 line, not here is 3 line, cancel. Here is not 2 line, cancel. Here is 2 line and here is 4 line. See, 1 2 3 4. So option number D is right. Question 28. See the figure. Here is one triangle. Here is also one triangle is small. Here is plus and minus. Here is a round. This figure and see this figure is opposite of each other. It means which figure will come from this figure, it will be opposite. Now answer figure, let's see. Here is plus minus, it means opposite. Here will be plus minus. In which figure? Here is plus minus, not. Here is minus plus. Okay, why not it's happened? Because see, it's out of box the round, but here in box, so it's cancel. Now see B number option. Here is round, here is also round. Here is plus minus, here is plus minus, so answer will be B. 29 number question figure. Here is one rectangle and it's cut middle. See, this rectangle and this one is same, but one is vertical line and here is two vertical line. It means figure will be same and increase one vertical slide. Now see this figure and what the figure will come, it will be same, but one also horizontal line is here, one horizontal line will increase. See an answer figure here. Now this figure and this figure is looking same, one horizontal line here and increase one more horizontal line, one horizontal line. It means option number A is correct. 30 number question. Arrow, this arrow, see this arrow and see this arrow, it's against of each other. So this figure and here the figure will come, it will be against of each other. So this figure is like that, and what the figure will come in arrow like in this way. See in option number here not, here not, here not. In D it's answer. 7. Direction, question 31 to 35. In these questions there are two sheets, two question figures each. The second set has a integration and there exists a relationship between the first two question figures. Similar relationship should exist between the third and fourth question figures. Select one of the answer figure which replace mark to interrogation. 31. Question figure 31. See this figure. This figure you have to see carefully. It's a small triangle and one like arrow. This figure is related to this figure. It means this figure is opposite to this figure. Her face is in that direction and this figure is that direction. Now which figure will come? It's also against. It means this figure will be get here. See where? Here not, here not, here not. Only figure number C. It's correct. 32 question figure. Now see, one box is here. In one box here is also a small box. It means a square. In this figure related to this. Now also the same figure I have to see. In circle it was one box. Here is two box. Now here is one box. It will be here two. Like we have to see the answer. Answer is first Carefully we have to see the question. Now, its middle one, it's square outside, now it's inside. The same way it's triangle, it's inside, now it will be outside, and circle will be inside. See, this figure not, this figure not. See this figure and this figure, it means C answer. Question 33. Now see this figure and this figure, it's looking with one game, like we play na Ludo, one game, the same related this figure. And also here is kite. With the kite, how it will be? With cotton. See, this figure is related to this figure, it means answer will be B. Question figure 34. Now it's also triangle, and it's opposite of this figure, opposite of this figure. Okay, it means both are opposite. It will be opposite, where answer C. It's not, it's not, it's not. Here it's opposite, it means B answer. Question figure, one circle and one line, it's verticals, two line, one line, two line, and here increase one, it means three line. One circle, two verticals line, and here one line increase, it's three line. Same way here is two verticals line, in figure will be three. Part 8 direction, question 36 to 40. In these questions, one part of geometrical figure is triangle, square and circle as question figure, and the other one is among the four answer figures A, B, C, D. Find the figure to complete the geometrical figure and write the answer to the question. Question number 36. See this figure, one line is there, one line here, here, and here is also cut line. In answer figure, which figure will be adjust here to complete this figure? See this figure, where I will adjust, it's cancel, and this figure, see where I will adjust, I can adjust here, in this not, cancel. See, also not adjustable, it means left D option, it will be right. But let's check in here, this figure I am telling, this figure I can adjust here. Now a bit here I can adjust here, and single line I will do here, it will be the perfect, it means D is answer. Again one thing I am telling, in reasoning part or mental ability, we have to see mental ability, especially we have to see not always correct answer, sometimes we have to see the wrong answer too, because when wrong answer will out, the remain will be correct. Now 37 question, one box, one line is horizontal, one line is vertical, and here is half round. Which round adjust here? Let's see. This round I adjust, not round, the white is too big, but here is small, it's not adjustable. Here it's not, how can it's adjust? It's middle, it's not, it means left D, it's answer. 38. See, one line here, and one small line. Now which figure I will adjust here? This figure not adjustable, where I will adjust it? This figure not. Option number B. Let's see, option number B. This figure it's like adjustable, or here this one I am telling I can adjust here. Okay, and this one I can adjust here, and that one will be correct, it means B is answer. 39. It's what? Triangle, but not full triangle. Here is one round. Which figure adjust here? One round. Here is one round, not cancel. Here is not one cancel. Here is two round. It means remain is A. It's answer. 40 number question. Question number 40. Now see, question number 40 we have to see very carefully. Here is half triangle. Here is triangle, it's adjustable. No, see, here is a line and this line is too lengthier, so it's not. Option B, this line I can adjust and that will be go here in this way here. It means B will be answer. Directions. Question 41 to 45. In this question there is a question figure and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C, D. Argument. Select the answer figure which is exactly the mirror image of the question figure. When the mirror is held at XY, indicate your answer to the question. Figure number 41. It's one image and here is mirror. One thing we have to care in mirror, whenever we see our face in mirror, always come opposite. In this figure, mirror is here, figure will opposite. It means which part is near? This part will come this part will come this part. C is answer figure. It means this space. Which figure close is mirror? It will be close. It means see my hand. My hand is like that. Here is mirror. Now hand will move in this way. It means image will like in this way. Okay. See. This darkness will come here. Here is, where is darkness? Not here. See this figure 41. This one is here, this one is here. It means this figure and this figure is same in opposite direction, so answer will be B. Now 42 question figure. Now one circle dark is here and one small circle it's dark, so it will become here. In here really, this figure is not cancelled. Now it's round will come here, round will come here. Now this is opposite. It means this figure is coming here, this figure will like that here not cancel, here not cancel, remain D. It means D answer. 43 question figure. Now mirror is here kept, so figure will down like a water mirror. Okay, mirror is here, this figure, this one will come in downside, this one is come downside, here is downside, here is downside, here is downside, not, here is downside, not, cancel. It means two figure we have to see. Here is one line but it's what, like a diagonal, but here is straight, then it will be opposite. Come on, it means 43 answer will be 1. It's a straight line, so not, it's cancel. Answer 43 is option number A. 42 question figure. Now mirror is here, it's come opposite to here. It means figure will like that. This one come here and arrow will be like that. Arrow will be like that. And it will be same. See, it's like same, so cancel. It's same, so cancel. This figure and this figure is matching, but everything I have to see carefully. Here is arrow, here is arrow, arrow is totally black, but here is arrow black, but here is not, so it's cancelled. Here see, it means D answer. 42 answer is D. Now 45 question figure. Mirror is kept here, so figure is again also like a water mirror. It means figure will be down. It means figure come in this side. Now see, arrow, this arrow will be against of that arrow. It's arrow, looking arrow, not, cancel. It's arrow, not, here is not arrow, it means D. Again one thing I am telling that in mental ability you have to see wrong answer also, not only correct answer. It means 45 answer is B. And one thing also I am telling, very soon one video I am just going to give only special mirror image. Then please the students who see my video, that video you must have to see. Thank you. 10 direction. Question 46 to 50. In these questions the pieces of the paper is folded and punched as so is question figures and 4 answer figures marked A, B, C, D are given. Select the answer figure which indicates how the paper will appear when opened. Unfolded, indicate your answer to the question. Question number 46. Now see one figure. This line dot line is folded. It means this line folded like that. Now figure is become like that, and again this figure folded in that manner. It means last we get this figure, last we get this figure, and cut here. So when I open, first I open this one. When I open I get in this way that figure. Again now see in this way when open, then that figure I will get. So answer will get like that. It means one box will see in answer figure. Here is it really, it's force, not it's square, but it's not square. This round not. It means option A is right answer. 47. Question figure. Now the same one paper is there. It's folded. It means we get this figure. Again it's folded, a small one, and last time it's a dark. See here dark we did. Now when we open, first open in this way, here dark and here dark, and this one will come to here. Now when it open it now this way, now it's open in this way. It means that one come in last here in middle, that one here, it one here, and it means 4 side. So where is 4 side? It means here is also not, here is, and here is. Let's see very carefully, we have to see. It means this figure I can get here, this figure I can get here, this figure I can get here, and when this fold here come, so option number A is right answer. 48. The 48. One thing I am just telling in paper folding, the way we fold the paper, the same way we have to open. Now it's round. First half we folded. It means from here I folded. It means it become half. See, it become half. See here. Now again I fold it. It become like that. And here is cut. Here is cut. How I open? The same manner. When I open in this way, it's come here in this way. Okay. Now it's open. See, first time we open in this way. So open this way. It means one like in this way come figure. So in answer figure, where is like that? Here, option number B. 49. Question figure. See, one paper is like a square and folded and become triangle. So one figure come in this way. It's fold in this manner, come in this way. Again figure come, again folded. It means one box, and cut in middle. So how I open? First the way I folded, the same manner we open. First open in this way. When open, it's round. Where will go? Let's see. It's come a bit cut na, so it's come here. Again when open, then it's half. It's half. When open, it means it's round. See in answer figure, where is round? Here is round, here is round. Now 2 round. Then also I have to care here. Here is one cut. See here cut. So cut will come here, and also cut will cut. I did cut. So here cut come. Again when it will be open, so cut will come here and here too. So answer will be A. Now last question for reasoning mental ability section. Question number 50. One paper folded in this way. Okay, it's come this figure. And paper also again folded in this manner. Then paper come in this way. See this way. And cut here and here. When it open, first how open? Last one. See, last I folded in this one. Then one box will come here. Okay. And again, in this manner, open. Then this box will come here. Now, see where I will get that box. I will get that box in this figure. Only this figure I can get. I can get here, but here is also cut, but I didn't cut paper. I didn't cut anywhere. So this shape is answer 15. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you the students and the people who is preparing for Johan Navodaya Vidyalaya definitely like and share my video. Thank you.